Hi, Ellen. We're here today to talk about Michelin. They've released some results and their shares have moved quite a bit. Can you tell me what's happened?
Well, the shares fell as much as 5% today. It might seem a little bit of an overreaction. The company missed on operating earnings for the full year by about 3%. It wasn't a huge amount. But I guess that the market, the investors had hoped for a stronger sign of improvement in Michelin in the fourth quarter. It didn't really seem to be coming through yet, and I guess there was some disappointment. Whereas they missed by 3%. I know one analyst told me they were expecting it probably Michelin to beat by a certain amount, and I guess there's the disappointment.
And can you tell me a bit more about their business in their area? So what's sort of performing well and where are they possibly struggling?
Yeah, the tires, the specialty tires in particular for the mining companies have really suffered, and volumes are down double digit, even though that sector is, the volumes are only down about 1%. Now, this is a large chunk of their sales, it's something like a third. It's a third of sales and a quarter of operating profits, so it's significant overall specialty sector. Mining, as I said, has collapsed, orders have collapsed, so margins have come down. But actually the specialty tire sector for them is a higher margin area. The group margins are around 11%, and even though operating margins came down in this specialty segment, they're more like 19, so it's still okay.
And how does that compare to some of the other tire manufacturers that are out there? How do they?
Well, one problem I think Michelin has had, and if you look at the shares, they've really underperformed their peers, say like Continental and Pirelli. Continental has introduced on the truck side another significant area for Michelin. It's again another almost more than a fifth of operating profits for Michelin. Continental has introduced over the last couple of years tires that on the truck side that are not as durable, but they're cheaper. Okay. Michelin has stuck to its guns, its principles, I should say, and always tried to produce the highest quality tire in this area, and they found their customers slightly moving away. So it looks as though Continental and some others have overtaken them on the highway, as it were.
Okay, thanks very much, Alan.